शुक्रारा दारगळ अपघातान ट्रका पोंदात चिड्डून मरण आयिल्ल्याच्या फामिलीक पेडणेचो आमदार प्रवीण आर्लेकार न्याय दिवपाक पावलो ना. आमदार फकत सेटलमेंट करता देखून सेटलमेंट आमदाराक काडून उडयात अशी मागणी काँग्रेसीचो फुडारी जितेंद्र गांवकारान केल्या. तशेंच ट्रक चलोवप्या कडेन वैध वाहन दस्तावेज ना देखून ट्रक चलोवप्याचेर गुन्यांव नोंद करचो अशें काँग्रेसीचें म्हणणें.
When the incident took place, we went on the spot and directly stated the statement that I will how settlement karta. How settlement karta? What it means? That means somebody told that MLA to go to that spot and do the settlement. Now who will be that person? Obviously the Ashok will come. Then he took that decision to the police station and the family members. When we arrived at the police station, we asked the question to the PI whether you have arrested the accused. He said no. Whether you have obtained documents of that vehicle, he said no. Rather than he called that general manager of the Ashok Wilcon. When he arrived in the chamber of the PI straight away told that fellow, the son of the deceased, what are your demands? Can you imagine the father has expired and the PI and the MLA is asking the son what is the demand of settlement? What is the term of settlement? That proves that the MLA is incompetent, the MLA is incapable for giving the justice. That is the reason I regularly demand that he should resign from as a MLA. And today also I also demanded that he should resign as a MLA of the Perna.